Are you considering setting up your business in the UAE but not sure which Freezone is the right choice? In today's episode, we're diving into SHAMS, Sharjah Media City, one of UAE's fastest growing, most flexible and affordable free zones for startups, freelancers and SMEs. If you're a creative entrepreneur, a digital business or simply someone exploring affordable entry points into the UAE market, stay tuned. This episode is for you. Hi, I'm Richard Kupcher from Safari Star, and in this video, I'll take you inside SHAMS Freezone, from its origins and rapid growth to the unique benefits it offers today, and show you why it could be the smartest launchpad for your business in the UAE. Let's start with a bit of history. SHAMS was founded in 2017 with a bold vision to become a dedicated hub for media and creative industries in Sharjah. From day one, it was built to be a digital-first, paperless and cost-friendly, a real game changer at the time. Within its first year, SHAMS had already attracted more than 2,500 companies, and by 2019, that number had surpassed 4,000. Along the way, it launched initiatives such as Entertainment Experience UAE, esports tournaments and youth programs, making it far more than just a licensing authority. It quickly became a true creative ecosystem. Today, SHAMS hosts businesses from over 160 countries. It's known for issuing licenses in just a few hours, offering affordable packages starting from just around 5,750 AED and letting entrepreneurs set up without needing a physical office. Looking ahead, SHAMS is positioning itself as the Silicon Valley of creative industries in the UAE. With partnerships across universities, innovation hubs, and media organizations, it's shaping up to be the place where media, technology, and entrepreneurship converge. SHAMS has carved out a reputation as the go-to hub for filmmakers, designers, and influencers, marketing agencies, and digital freelancers. And here's one of its most distinctive features: the ability to combine multiple activities under one license. This means you can run, for example, a marketing consultancy and an e-commerce business under the same license. A flexibility that's rare elsewhere and particularly attractive for modern entrepreneurs blending different business models. So why choose SHAMS over another free zone or mainland setup? Choose SHAMS if you're looking for a cost-effective entry point into the UAE market, a fast digital setup that can be done remotely, and the freedom to combine activities like media, trading, and consultancy. It's also a great environment to start small as a freelancer and scale later while plugging into a creative-focused ecosystem with a global reach. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this gave you a clear picture of SHAMS Freezone and why it might be the right move for your business. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates on UAE business setup. And let me know in the comments, would SHAMS work for your business model, or are you leaning towards another UAE free zone? In the next episode, we'll break down the practical side of SHAMS, the documents you'll need, how long each step takes, the real costs to expect, and the mistakes to avoid. It's a hands-on guide to make your setup process smoother and smarter. See you next time.